In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align bottom in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to position text so it sits neatly at the bottom edge of a cell, which is especially helpful when your rows are taller than the text, or when you're formatting headers and labels for a polished, consistent look. First, start by selecting the cell that contains the text you want to adjust. A single click is all it takes to make the cell active. If you want multiple cells to use the same vertical position, simply extend your selection by dragging across adjacent cells or holding your usual selection modifier while clicking. The alignment you choose will apply to everything you've highlighted, so it's a fast way to keep a whole section uniform. Next, look to the Home tab on the ribbon and find the Alignment group. You'll see 3 vertical alignment buttons there: Top Align, Middle Align, and Bottom Align. Click the Bottom Align button. This tells Excel to anchor the content at the lower edge of each selected cell. You'll notice the change immediately if your row has any extra height above the text. This is the cleanest way to make content line up visually when cells are taller than the content inside them. A few practical tips will help you get the best results. If you click Bottom Align and don't notice much difference, it's likely because the row height closely matches your text height. Bottom alignment becomes obvious when the row is taller than the text. If the text wraps onto multiple lines, bottom alignment keeps that block of wrapped text resting on the bottom edge of the cell. This is useful for descriptions or notes that don't fill the entire height. The setting also works consistently with merged cells, tables, and formatted ranges, and it will carry through to print and PDF export, so your layout looks intentional across outputs. Remember, Bottom Align is just one of the vertical alignment options. If you want the text to sit centered vertically, choose Middle Align. To push it to the top, choose Top Align. And if you change your mind, you can always undo the change instantly. That's all there is to it. Select the cell with the text, then click Bottom Align on the Home tab. Use this simple adjustment to create cleaner worksheets, better spacing, and a more professional finish. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting in Excel.